What's up everybody, welcome to another Antutu thermal throttling test video. Today I have this Mi Pad 5. I also got Mi Pad 5 Pro. I'm going to do a comparison between this Mi Pad 5 and Mi Pad 5 Pro in another video. But today it's all about Antutu thermal throttling test on this Mi Pad 5. Okay, a lot of people have requested for unboxing video, but actually there is nothing to unbox. Yeah, what I've got inside the box is this Xiaomi Pad 5, which I have already started to use, and a piece of paper, which is actually a set of instructions. Oh yeah, there is a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle included inside the box, but there is nothing else, empty. So I think unboxing video of Mi Pad 5 or Mi Pad 5 Pro is just waste of time. Well, I have also bought this protective case from Xiaomi. Yeah, this is Xiaomi protective case for Mi Pad 5 or Mi Pad 5 Pro. Both are actually using the same protective case. This one costs around $25 in China, and I think for the price, quality is very good. Magnets are pretty strong and it offers good protection. But there is one thing I'm pretty disappointed about, and that is this Mi Pad 5 comes without any display protector. So you have to spend about $15 to buy a display protector, and this one is really a bit difficult to put on, and I think $15 for a display protector is a bit expensive. Of course, I had to buy this Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 and the other Mi Pad 5 Pro by myself. Xiaomi didn't provide me any review unit. I wish, if Xiaomi is watching, or if you know anybody in Xiaomi, then please tell them to send me review units. I'll be very happy. I do a lot of hard work to bring true and honest content to you, so I wish that you appreciate my hard work. If you like this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support true, honest content. Okay, at the beginning, let me show you that there is nothing running at the background. Let's open Antutu Benchmark and let's check what's the current temperature of CPU. Ambient temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius, and yeah, this Snapdragon 860 is at around 31 degrees Celsius. It's good. Let's run Antutu Benchmark. As mentioned earlier, we will back-to-back run Antutu Benchmark 3 times. We will check the scores, we will check temperature and compare it with the scores, whether there is any performance drop or not. Okay, I must mention I have updated Antutu Benchmark to the latest version 9.1.1. Well, after the first run, this Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 managed to get 592,000, which is good considering its processor, and I am amazed to see that only 2.8 degrees Celsius temperature was increased. 2% battery was drained, which in general is acceptable. Let's run Antutu Benchmark without wasting any time. Let's check what type of score can this Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 get while continuously running Antutu Benchmark. And okay, also let's see whether there is any type of thermal throttling or not. By the way, if you want me to run CPU throttling test application on this Mi Pad 5 or Mi Pad 5 Pro and then make a video about this, then please let me know in the comment section below. I have also done another Antutu thermal throttling test video of Xiaomi Mix 4, Realme GT and OnePlus 9 Pro, where I have got some interesting and surprising results. I would recommend that you watch that video. Well, after the second run, yes, Antutu's score got a hit. It's about 15,000 less than the first run. It's actually only around 2.5% less. So I would say it's doing great. Also, once again, temperature is not that increased. It's only increased by 2.5 degrees Celsius, less than the first time. Let us run Antutu Benchmark one more time, and then we can check whether this Antutu score get another hit or not. Amazing performance. It got almost the same score as the previous one. Second and third run generating similar score means there is a very good thermal management. But as it got a bit less than what it got at the first time, I also need to say there is some type of throttling. But that's nothing compared to other smartphones or tablets available in the market. Okay, if you have watched through this video, then you know that this Mi Pad 5 is a very much capable tablet. Yeah. Anyway, this one is a pretty good tablet. If you're looking for value for money, then this one is the best. Yeah, Mi Pad 5 Pro offers a bit better performance, but I don't think we need that one. Really, I am using this Mi Pad 5 as my daily drive. I mean, for communication, entertainment, I'm using this one. Yeah, you can see I have this iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Air 2020. I've been using this one for last 10 months, almost 10 months, and I used to love this one. This one with this magic keyboard, it's a very good combination. But still, I think that I'm gonna replace this one with this Mi Pad 5. I'm waiting for Xiaomi's keyboard. I have ordered that one online. When the keyboard of this Mi Pad 5 arrives, I will check the performance, and maybe, most probably, I'm gonna replace this iPad Air 4th generation with this Mi Pad 5. Well, once again, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any other video request, then make a comment and let me know in the comment section.
We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry